Hey friend.
Oh hey there.
Do you know anything about geology?
Just a little. Why?
I found a rock today.
What kind is it?
It is a rock called andesite. It comes from a volcano, meaning it is igneous.
Well, how did you know it was andesite?
Well, first I had to make a thin section of the rock, where I cut it and mounted it on a slide using epoxy. Then I ground down the rock so that it was thin enough to see the grains under a microscope. I identified the grains under cross-polar light using twinning of plagioclase and 120 cleavage of amphibole grains. After that I figured out how much of the minerals were in my rock percentage-wise, and I looked up the rock types on a table that Dr. Pollock gave me. It is an aphanitic rock but contains fiacris, so it is an andesite.
What does that mean?
Well, andesite is an extrusive igneous rock, meaning it forms at the surface, specifically in subduction zones. The amphibole fiacris formed first in a magma chamber above the subducting plate in the mantle. When the volcano erupted, some of the amphibole would have been picked up and incorporated into an andesite rock. Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, it's sweet. I still don't get it.
This is a cool rock, friend. It formed in 2 stages. First with the crystallization of the amphibole, then the hardening of the andesite after eruption from the volcano. Plus it is pink. I looked great in pink. And got to use a saw and grinder. Also totes sweet. Okay, so I also found out that andesite is related to rhyolite, dacite, and basalt, which are also igneous rocks. And the amphibole in my rack has a reaction rim that was possibly caused by low pressure instability. The amphibole is also shaped really cool. In one section of my slide, it looks like a gun. Pio pio pio.
You were scaring me.
Don't be silly. It is a mineral. It can't really shoot you.
Tell me more about how andesite is formed.
Well, as I told you, it is formed at convergent zones.
What are those?
They are tectonic plate boundaries where 2 plates are coming together. The one I was talking about earlier is a subduction zone. That is where oceanic crust is going under, or being subducted under, continental crust. The oceanic crust is heavier and therefore dives under. This creates a wedge-like shape in the mantle. Water from the oceanic plate is incorporated into the surrounding mantle, which causes melt. That created those amphibole fiacris.
Okay, I get that.
Good.